Would we know what their original place is? And
My lord,
what
what happens is they do not connect it with Aadhaar card or any proof of residence. They open their system. They say you fill up the address of your residence, whatever you feel like, and we will treat it to be your residence address, and we will allocate you center as per the address you give it here. Absolutely no system in place to verify that.
So, are you contending? Suppose I am a student. I'm ordinarily residing in Delhi. When I fill up my form online, I can choose a center, say in Sikar, or I can fill out a center in somewhere in Tamil Nadu or Kerala. Any?
But I am free to give whatever address I want.
Showing us by showing some residence over there.
Not even showing, filling it up. Just I need to type it.
At what point of time do they verify whether you are actually a resident of that?
At no stage, my lord, may kindly note it.
A student can choose a center in any part of the country.
Any part of the country.
And you don't have to submit any document?
Absolutely no proof, my lord. And there is an email, if I can straight away invite my lord kind attention to that email for a moment. Professor email.
It's not a change of center, but choice of center.
Choice of page 190. Page 190 of my lord, this my lord may kindly permit me to.
Writing an email that there is a scam.
No.
All right. So Mr. Solicitor, just tell us this later on when your turn comes. Argument is that a student can choose a center of their liking anywhere in the country by saying, I reside there.
Yes, sir.
Does the student at any point of time of the registration process have to produce any documentary material to indicate that they are residents of that place?
I'll answer that. But when I give the figures of seeker, he's taking on seeker, I'll be able to justify the success rate has gone down, but we'll be able to show that. No, let me come to my place. No, I can't go by.
How does it work when a center is sought by a student? Student applies for a center or city when you submit an application for it?
City.
Now,
Center
when
is
a
not.
student applies for a city, does NTA require the student to upload any document?
Just inquire and malot.
Absolutely.
Or does that student just choose a city anywhere in the country?
Correct.
Let them verify.
Correct. My lord, I just want to point out an email. Like my lord would remember, Kaka College had written them with regard to Godhra a month earlier. They did not act on it. In their reply, they say now they have marked this college Kaka email to some competent authority to look into it. Now, with regard to this, allow me, my lord, to refer to this email at page 190.
Shows the data. You passed that already before yesterday.
Yes, my lord, I'm coming back. My lord, I'm already on the tables, my lord. My lord, I'm already on the tables. My lord, may kindly see. Yes. My lord, I was page 100. Lord, I'm showing this data. I was at page 100 to demonstrate.
Ultimately, up to now, we have dealt with Hazaribagh, we have dealt with Patna, we have dealt with,
this all will demonstrate.
No, my lord, give me some time. My friend has taken a long, I have no quarrel. I have to attend some other matter. I'll be grateful. I will only take 10 minutes. That I am 10 minutes. My lord, if you go by seniority, I am 66, I am senior. But we have followed a different rule. I have no quarrel.
No.
I have no quarrel.
By every standard, Mr.
Mr. Tushar Mehta, you are only 59. Junior to me in bar and age. Yes. Please don't insult seniors. But my lord, I only take 10 minutes.
Second, any group matter, one person leads.
No, my lord, I only take 10 minutes, my lord.
We are also.
No, because I believe that he is.
Second, Mr. Nedumbara, it would be wrong to say that he has taken time. We are also.
No, I am not blaming anybody, my lord. I am only requesting 10 minutes to be given to me. Then, my lord, relieve me. That's all. 10 minutes to me. 10 minutes to me, my lord. If I can, before lunch. My lord, I have another matter to be. I am taking adjournment after adjournment. Madras High Court. I want to appear online.
All right.
So 10 minutes.
I was page 100 the table just to demonstrate the mismatch, and this is for them to explain that how the number of candidates who appeared in a particular state has gone down from the result declared on 4th of June to the result declared on 20th of July. Then, my lord, at page 101, annexure C is the list of top 50 centers, which indicates, my lord, that how these centers are concentrated in seeker.
Result of heart, this is very important. Just
Ye-
one second.
yes,
Let's go closely on this. Yes.
But I have given the center code, number of student appeared, how many students above 700, then the percentage of 700 plus, above 650, percentage of above 650, above 600, percentage of above 600, and then above 550. I have gone only up to above 550. Now, this will show a concentration.
Where?
The concentration here is, my lord, primarily seeker. My lord, may kindly see this. Rajkot, there is one station at Rajkot, my lord, where the total number of student is 1968. Center code, where 12 students above 700. Hmm? 115 above 615. There is something special with Rajkot, this center code. That's fine. That will it seeker after Rajkot. 1,000 students, 8 are above 700.
9 or above.
And then, my lord, my lord, I'm on next item, a seeker Rajasthan. Out of 1,001 student appearing, 8 above 700, then 69 above 650, and 115 above 600. And then 241 above 550. And Lord, also kindly keep it in mind, city coordinators are the owners of these schools. And these are private schools. And the invigilators are the employees of these private schools. And the possibility cannot be ruled out that these teachers are not in league with the coaching centers, my lord, which are operating in Kota and Sikar.
Are what? Are the city coordinators are government employees or they're private
They
employees?
are principals of the particular school which is.
Private
the
schools,
center.
my lord.
Sorry,
Principal of the school where the center is located.
Private schools.
city coordinators.
City coordinator names.
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be a
City-
city coord.
It's completely privatized.
Principal of CBSE school is the city coordinator.
No, there is in Sikar, there is no CBSE school. There is only one, this Kendriya Mahavidyalaya. 48 are the private schools, my lord. And CBSE affiliated, not CBSE run.
They are all CBSE schools.
CBSE affiliated school.
But they are CBSE affiliated schools, not CBSE run schools.
Top 50, you are saying that there is a concentration of seeker.
Correct, my lord. Kindly see this table, my lord. It shows all seeker. 38 of them, my lord. Not a coincidence, my lord. And I'm sure, my lord, consistently, even the last year also,
Seeker.
these, my lord, even last year also and last to last year also, this seeker must be doing well for the reason. Because all these private schools, my lord, they are together, CPSE affiliated or Rajasthan board affiliated. Now, one of them is a city coordinator. Rest are the invigilators. And my lord,
But tell us, Mr. Huda, assuming that that is so, I mean, can that be one, a ground to cancel the entirety of the exam all over the country? Or two, to cancel the exam for seeker as a
No,
whole?
Lord, what I say, I bow down.
There be sure a retest for seeker.
Lord,
Can
what
we-
I humbly submit
is that
is,
sufficient data in itself?
If
Lord,
all
what-
over the country,
Lord, what
there
I
are
humbly-
6 people per 1,000 who get above 600, all over the country. That's the average. And in each place in Seeker, you get 75, you get 80. That's the,
So just let's see this, what you
The
have
country
completed
average.
over here.
please,
It's
the
so-
reference value is the country average.
वो डाउनलोड करके पहले उसको will magnify, मेरे को दिखने में
Lord,
नहीं दिखता।
Lord, what I humbly submit is,
A paper copy of that page.
Words only.
yes, my Lord, it's there. my Lord.
Less than 10.
15 दे दिया. Give 3. This is my Lord 100, 500 and above. This is not with regard to. हाँ.
पूरे इतने नहीं.
It's about this percentage. Good, Mr. Hegde, above what?
6 people per 1,000. That's 0.6%. Is on an average, that's the national, that should be the reference value. Now, if if your lordship takes the first one in Rajasthan or see the Vidya Bharati Public School, let us see how many of them have got in. So above 550, which gets you a state, there are 241 students who have got above 550
Out of 1,000.
out of 1,000 students. 1 in 4 students.
Lord, this is alluding towards systemic failure. And all these people are not from Seeker. They have come from all over the country. They are not people who have taken coaching from Seeker.
How do you
Because of this systemic
how do you
failure.
say that they have not taken coaching from?
I
Don't
do
make
not,
such-
I do not know
I mean,
because
have
if
the-
I
then if you
compare
do
it,
Not, no, don't make statements.
hold on please. If I compare it with Kota is the coaching
Kota
hub.
and Seeker are education
And Lord,
hubs.
yes,
People from
now,
students from
and
all
the
over
number
the
of
country
students appeared
stay
in
there. There are
Kota.
hostels,
Where
PG
is the-
accommodations.
where is the-
It's a coaching class there. So don't say that they are not from. They are not.
Belgavi, my lord, in Karnataka is not a coaching hub where a girl goes from Anjali Patel, goes from Gujarat to Belgavi. She fails, she appears in 12th class standard in Gujarat because she's from Gujarat. She failed, but she went all the way to Belgavi, got 705 marks. And Lord, what I'm told is the CBSE syllabus of 12th is completely in align with the syllabus of NEET examination. So it's not possible somebody getting 31 in botany out of 100 and getting 700.
Have you shown data from that center in Belgavi where she appeared? Were the people getting high marks unusually large at that center?
Lord, there are.
You must show us.
Lord, I will, if I will show all these tables in seriatim, Lord, I will show that. So, Lord, this table at 101 indicates there is a heavy tilt for seeker because there is a systemic malaise which has worked in favor of the students appearing in these centers in seeker. And we cannot separate the tainted from the untainted. And all these private people, the person who is doing videography, I give just one example here. Their emphasis is that we videograph everything at all these centers, though they are private people. In Savai Madhopur, may I have Lord's attention just for a moment? Their emphasis is that though all these are private people, all these city coordinators, invigilators, but our CCTV monitoring is so robust that we catch them. In case of Savai Madhopur, it is their own case that a wrong question paper was distributed in a different language. And the question paper started at 2 p.m. They got to know, this is on record, and their reply on record to say that we got to know that wrong question paper has been given in Savai Madhopur, Rajasthan at 4:30 from the social media. They are on affidavit to say this. If